Hi everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2017 Ram 1500. This is the Laramie, so it's going to have a little bit more equipment than what we're used to seeing on a Ram 1500. It's one of the higher trim levels. Overall, super clean car, drove great, brakes felt good, not a single light on the dash, 28,606 miles on it. Has some really nice features, power windows, power locks of course, but it also has the power folding mirrors. Hit the button, so if you're parking this in the garage or a tight space or even on the street, it's nice to fold in those mirrors so people don't hit them. Hands-free connectivity, so you can talk through this car on your cell phone. Also cruise control over here to the right, as well as audio control back behind on the back side of the steering wheel. It is a four-wheel drive Ram 1500. Has a tow rating just around 8,000 pounds. Shifter knob here, AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Now this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so it goes through a 125-point inspection process, both mechanically and appearance, but part of that package is you get 3 months of Sirius radio, no cost to you. USB connectivity for your phone. Does have heated seats and vented seats up here. So the heated seats are great in the winter, vented seats are so nice in the summer. Dual climate control and navigation. So pretty much fully loaded with all the options there. You have redundant controls down here for heating and air conditioning and radio, as well as your heated and vented seats, and here the heated steering wheel down here. 110 volt power outlet up here, and 2 spots here for cell phones. I love that your phone just slides right in there. It just keeps it there. It's not sliding all around. A couple beverage holders. All the nooks and crannies in this look super clean. That kind of tells me how clean the previous owner was. Speaking of which, there's only one previous owner. Really scores well in the history report here. Scores a 96. You can see that's literally off the chart for this vehicle in this age. No accidents or hail or water damage reported. Got the Laramie badge up there. Still has all the factory books and everything in it. Overall, nice truck. Let's check out the outside. Power seats, programmable seats as well, so you can program it for up to 2 drivers. Stepping back here, has the flame red paint on it, accented by chrome bumper, chrome grille inserts, chrome step boards, chrome mirrors. Just what a truck. 20-inch chrome wheels, wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires. The tread on this looks excellent. I don't see any sign of dry cracking or anything like that. This is a crew cab pickup, so it's the biggest cab Ram offers, which gives you a ton of room back here. Not only for seating, but also cargo. This is gonna flip over here for extra cargo space there. Heated seats back here on the outside, 2 seats, perimeter seats they call them. And then this will flip down here for beverage. There's an opening window that's power back here as well for the rear. Fuel fill in the back. The bed looks good. I don't see any issues on paint or anything like that. Again, the Laramie 4x4, you can see the badging here. Locking tailgate. Beautiful thing about that is if you have a tonneau cover, you can keep your stuff secure. Spray and bed liner. The bed looks really nice. Class 4 hitch, again rated around 8,000 pounds. Does have factory wiring back here for 4-pin and 7-round. Coming to the passenger side, looks just as clean as the rest of the truck. I love the package on the truck with the flame red, the chrome. Also, of course, it's got the Hemi in it. 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. Ram's really world-renowned engine. So great looking truck, definitely passes the review. If you're looking for a nice clean Ram pickup truck, this is definitely should be on top of your list. I hope this review helps you in your purchasing. We have a couple more things. I'll post links below, current pricing and availability. Check out that link. Also, if you need financing on this, we'd love the opportunity to get you approved on this particular pickup truck. You can do that right from your home. Just fill out the application on the website below. And also, if you want to trade up, we'd love to make you an offer on your trade. Chances are it's probably about what you're looking to get out of it anyways, and you don't get all the hassle of trying to sell it yourself. So thanks for watching, everyone. My name's Mike, and got to check out this 17 Ram.